Shabbos day meal. The requirement to eat before Chatzos. That's especially in the winter. That's very, very applicable. So listen to this. It is prohibited to fast on Shabbos. It is forbidden to fast intentionally on Shabbos, even for a short amount of time. However, even without the intention of fasting, if one does not eat until after 6 halachic hours into the day, then it is as if person is fasting, which is forbidden. So let's try to understand. So on on Shabbos we are not allowed to fast. There is some days. So there is some circumstances like when one person wants to fast, right? So he had a bad dream or something is going on, your side of a parent, okay, or some personal fast, right? But on Shabbos you're not allowed to fast unless it's a terrible dream, right? And it says very interestingly, you did intentionally or not intentionally. So if time comes, right? If time comes, like after 6 hours, so it's 6 seasonal hours. So today I'm not sure what is it. In my time, I think it's around 12. It's around noon, plus minus, maybe I'm not sure. Like noon, regular, right? Noon. So meaning what? That that you have to like finish praying like before that time, right? And even let's say man is still in the shul, and it's one of the reasons when you're allowed to continue fasting because you're busy mitzvah, you continue praying. But your family, guess what? Your family are not doing any mitzvah. They're waiting for you. That's the problem. So it looks like the family is fasting. So all of these places, all of the lazy people who start like Shachar is 9:45. They're clowns. They start like 10 a.m. Okay. So of course the family is fasting. So even though he's praying and he's absolved from doing Kiddush now, but the whole family is fasting. That's a problem. So you want it, you did not want it, doesn't make any difference. Okay. Many times one can predict that the meal will not begin until after that time. In such a case, one should drink water before she davens or make Kiddush and eat mizonos after she davens, avoiding this prohibition. So that's the solution for a woman, right? So she has her kids, she by herself, that doesn't matter, right? So again, there is no problem with the man because he's in the shul, right? He's praying, they're reading Torah, he's singing, hopefully not socializing in front of the shul when the family is waiting. I hope so, right? So, but the woman, when she sees the husband is not there, and for whatever reason, so it's proper for her to do her own kiddush, right? Or at least, as they say, it's not a solution that is going to work for a woman, right? She can drink before she davens. So in this case, she's not fasting. Okay. Or to do her own kiddush, and that's what we tell women, right? If he's not there, this husband of yours is not there, so and kids are hungry. Of course, kids can eat like under the age of bar mitzvah. There is no problem; they can eat, right? But older kids are hungry. That's the issue, right? They want to eat, so she can do a kiddush for them and let them eat a little. Of course, mizonos, as we said. Okay. So one more time, in this case, one should drink water before she davens, or make kiddush and eats mizonos after she has davened. Okay, avoiding this prohibition. Continue. Even one has already had something to eat, or drink. So basically, if you have a choice, do not go to this minyan. And before you decided to relocate something, so like you have to find out what kind of community is it. Right? Are they kosher, semi-kosher, and all these things are very, very important to know. Are they yeshivas? Are they kosher stores? Are they what time they start on Shabbos day in the morning? Okay, continue. Even if one has already had something to eat or drink, it is still preferable to begin a Shabbos day meal before 6 halachic hours into the day, which is referred to Chatzos. So Chatzos is like midday or midnight. It's half, right? Okay. So it's proper anyway, and that's what we're trying to do. And in some shuls near me, they pray like slower, right? And then after Shacharis they go home, do the Kiddush for because everybody lives around, right? So they go home to do the Kiddush for their own families, and like 35 minutes, 35 minutes, they back to shul, and that's it. They continue davening Musaf. No, nobody drank, so that's why people usually do this Kiddush on grape juice, not on wine. Then after they come home, yeah, they do on wine, but this one is on a grape juice, and it's to avoid this issue of fasting on Shabbos. Or they start earlier, whatever they do. Okay, especially in the winter. And in summer there is no problem. It's like 1:30 sometimes. There's no problem whatsoever.